Hey guys, another Pathfinder issue today. I take care of two 2013 Pathfinders. This is a four-wheel drive SL model, 2013, like I said. The owner complains about a front clunk noise in the suspension, almost like something that would resemble a ball joint or a blown shock, some issue like that. But it's nothing like that. This car only has 80,000 miles, which doesn't mean it couldn't have a blown shock, but it does not. I've already tested both shocks. So let me show you what this one was. After I tested out the ball joint, tie rod end, sway bar end link. So ball joint, tie rod, outer tie rod end, sway bar end link, the shock, no oil moisture on the shock from being blown, no rebound when you hit a pothole. You know your shock is blown when you hit a pothole and the wheel and tire bounce because the force of the shock isn't holding force down onto the wheel. But when I went over to the sway bar, and I have load, I have a stand here. I have load applied to the control arm. And if you go over and check the sway bar mounts, right over here, you get nice and close. You can grab the sway bar. Listen to this. Hold on, let me see if I can get it on camera. That might not sound like much right now, but when the weight of the car is on the ground, that will absolutely resonate and you'll be able to feel it through the suspension. And there's nothing else going on in the front end. I checked everything you can think of. And I'm talking about two different Pathfinders that are doing this exact same noise. It's not a click. It's like a slight clunk, and it's mostly over bumps, but it's semi-obvious. I can even hear it pulling into my driveway, which has a little bit of bumps in the beginning of it. So take a look, and I bet you the rubber got a little bit dry in the sway bar mount bushing, and now there's just enough room to have play in there. I'm sure you can hear that. So I bet you a new set of sway bar mount bushings would probably fix it, because new ones will be nice and pliable again since they're rubber. This one has 80,000 miles, even though it's only 5 years old. It's got 80,000 miles, and it's just enough play from the bar inside the bushing, inside of here, that it's making that noise going over bumps. And if you think about it, when you go over a bump, you load the suspension and unload the suspension. So right now I have it loaded with the stand, and if I unloaded it, that noise would be even louder. So anyways, there's some people on the forums have said it was a blown shock and Nissan replaced it under warranty. That could have been the case. Maybe it was, maybe it wasn't. But maybe they don't realize this is also going on. And it's kind of a mystery noise. But it's not a mystery anymore. So hope this helps some of you guys. Thanks a lot for watching.